it's all dead. That light is.
It does. Hey guys, we're on a walk. We're at this park called Evan G. It is super cool. Oh, this is the park that I was at the other day. We had some delicious brunch. I had a omelet with mushrooms and some Swiss cheese with sourdough bread and hash brown with a coffee. And Bug had his famous country fried steak. And yeah, now we're on a walk, walking it off.
This shit is crazy. Look at it. Not all of it. That's a good amount.
Today's OOTD scarf brought to you by Target. Beanie brought to you by Bug finding it at work. Sweater is my mom's. Sweats are Nike. Shoes, Hoka's. Something I want to share today is that yesterday I was hanging out with Drew and she was playing a song in Portuguese, but she was explaining it to me. And the song is about a surfer who's trying to surf, swim, be in the ocean. But there's a fisher that fishes by there, so his nets are everywhere. There's also another saying that goes by, I forgot who exactly said this. They talk about how we live our lives on the surface of the ocean, going through the waves of life. But in reality, we're as vast, our consciousness is as vast as the entirety of the ocean. Well, what I did was I correlated to this song. If we let society or our family or friends or life kind of tie us down, just the way these fishermen's nets were, we wouldn't be able to explore life, be in the vastness of the ocean. So this is your reminder. Step away from those things that don't feel true to your heart, don't sit right with you, and remember that you are as vast as the ocean. Things might come up and they might stop you, but gotta keep going and remember who you truly are, that your soul is everlasting. God put things in this world for you to experience them, so experience them. Little me for days. I've been laying here in bed for the past hour, I would say. Last night, I added some wine to some juice that I was drinking, and I stopped drinking alcohol, I would say maybe like a year ago, but truthfully, like I haven't really stuck to it as much as recently. Within the past couple months, I would say maybe half a year, and I just feel so much better since doing it. I used to drink before to suppress a lot that I had gone through. I didn't know how to stop. I would drink until I got blackout drunk. Now the thought of even drinking really makes my whole body like ache, and I just don't see the point of it. Yeah, so that's why I decided to stop. I do it now rarely on occasion, but even then, yesterday was my first day and like however it feels. But yeah, that's why even this morning I did not want to get out of bed. I did not want to do anything. My stomach was hurting and in my head and felt all like rushing. I let myself just lay in bed. I watched some videos on how to edit, just watched other people's videos, wrote down my goals, journaled, took some time to breathe. I am ready to get the day started. Feeling really good. The past couple days have been really great. That's what happens too. Because I drank alcohol yesterday. This morning, today, I want to work on my video, work out, read. I'm not sure what else. Maybe respond to some people, clean up a bit, call my mom. Yeah, so I got a couple things. I got a couple things on the to-do list. Let's get to it. It's currently like 9:30. Let's get this day started. start my morning oil pulling with virgin organic coconut oil. I literally just scrape it with the back of my toothbrush. And yeah. I'm also really craving coffee, so I'm going to heat up some water and get that ready. Something else I noticed is that drinking alcohol makes me inflamed. Like my face, a pretty well-rounded face, but when I drink alcohol, it's inflamed here. See, that's the one I drink, and Jesse drank that beer. In the mornings, I like to take a teaspoon of Bumyan Malaki with some copper water. Our body needs copper. It's something that is really hard to get. We tend to drink a lot of aluminum and zinc and iron, but copper. If you ever have a copper cup or copper vase, you can put water in there and just drink from there and you'll get little traces of copper. I also have been recently drinking water with chloroxygen, and then I will add some chia seeds in there. This is really great for building your red blood cells, oxygenating your red blood cells, and yeah, morning drinks.